I'm Jatin Chaudhary. I am the co-founder of eChai Network. We host engaging startup networking meetups in 25 global startup cities. We have a very exciting series is going on. Spouse entrepreneurs, eChai with pioneers. We are adding one more business roller coaster. The founder journey is more like roller coaster. There are ups and downs, and we are getting a lot of our friends to come and share their stories about ups and downs in their journey. So today's guest is Nachiket. Nachiket, thank you so much for joining.
Thank you. Welcome for inviting me.
Yes. Always. Nachiket is the co-founder of Logic Wind. So Nachiket, can you tell us a little more about what is Logic Wind?
Yes. So Logic Wind is basically idea company. We implement ideas. So let it be in co-working space, let it be a product, let it be a service. We always love to work on ideas, and we tend to get to implement them with client on our own. And so basically, in one couple of words, it's an idea implementation company.
You implement ideas, you charge money, and work you do to implement those ideas.
We sometimes we charge money, sometimes we invest our money. All in all, it should balance out.
Yeah, awesome. And what's the founding story? When did you started? What are the interesting numbers about Logic Wind?
Yes. So right now we are around 50 people, and most of us are developers. Almost 40 people are developers. And initially, I started as a freelancer, and my always interest was to solve problems. I love to program. I still code. I love to solve problems, and that's how I started being freelancers. And I was working as a freelancer. Then I realized that there are, yeah. So I never wanted to be a business person. I ended up being a business person because I had certain potential problems which I couldn't solve on my own. So I ended up hiring more people. I ended up creating a team. And then while I was working with couple of startups, I realized the potential startup. This is I'm talking about 2011.
Okay.
2012. So that time in India, startup world was hard to explain. But so I realized the potential and I wanted to build products. I was never a seller. I'm still not a seller, but I wanted to build products. So I started working with startups, and end of the day, ended up creating a team of
You
programmers.
started working with startup means you started building tech for them.
I started building tech for them, worked as a freelancer, worked as a sole tech person in some of the
Okay.
products. Yeah, so depends on the size. So I worked with funded startups in 2012, and I worked with a self-started, somebody had an idea and had some money, and I ended up creating a tech for them as well.
Okay. And Nachiket, the very theme of this particular series is ups and downs, roller coaster ride. So in your journey, which was the happiest moment of your business journey?
Happiest moment, very hard question, but if I came to know the last office, the office I'm sitting in, when I shifted, I felt really good about it. Why? Because it was been a dream to have a really good tech office where developers love to work and have a cafe, have
Wow.
big monitors, everybody, and have a lot of Macs for developers who can. So that's what we were able to achieve here.
Awesome. And Nachiket is in Surat. So whenever those of you are watching the video happen to be in Surat, Nachiket is a very good host. And Nachiket, which was the lowest period of your business life?
So in 2018 beginning, I I had a co-founder. We parted after 3 years. So from 2015 to 18, we were two founders, and then we parted into different businesses. Although it was a good and mutual split, the point was that instead of taking half of the responsibility, I was taking my full responsibility, and that came as a surprise in terms of how much you have to do when you are just a single founder. So
Correct.
that couple of months were quite challenging because I was certain things I was not doing, like accounting and other business related stuff. All of a sudden, I have to do as a single founder, all of it. So that was quite challenging and quite, you can say, the low point of my business career.
And Nachiket, it's almost 8-9 years you are already into the business. So what is that insights that you got that you believe that you would want to give it to your younger self also?
Sure. One thing is, everybody, like, when you see a problem or you see an opportunity, know that you have to jump on it first, because let's say blockchain or AR VR was already here 5 years ago. So that was the right time to jump into, so that look what's coming in next 2 3 years. So starting really soon on something new is very important. Like when we see EV or electronics vehicle and happening now, but big, they, like people are working on it for last 3 4 years. It's not that they started today. So make
Okay.
sure you jump on it as soon as possible for you.
And Nachiket, what are you excited about? What are the big opportunities that you feel that you'll be able to capture in next 5 10 years?
Whole world went work from home. For me, that is, and the growth was supposed to be over 5 years, happened in 2 months. Actually, there were statistics, I don't know where, but in 2 months, the amount of work from home is happening, or like remote working, was planned that in next 5 to 6 years it will happen. So there are so many things which is not even know, like people have thought of, and there are products coming up which is especially when people are working remotely, work from home.
So
Even
you
we are
believe,
working on a
so
product
Nachiket,
for that.
you believe that you'll play into that opportunities. You'll build tools to make remote work
Yes,
happen.
yes. So that
Awesome.
is one big opportunity there.
We'll get to the rapid fire. Which is your favorite book?
One thing,
And which particular activity you enjoy doing the most?
playing games, but yeah, any sort of games, video game, real games, tennis. Yeah.
So you had a split with your partner. What would be the key insight that you'll give to someone who's having some sort of a conflict with their business partners?
Yeah. So that one, have honest and open discussion about any whatever is happening before you even split or think about it. And other thing I would say is whenever you get into partnership, I'm right now with 3 companies I'm in partner, I have partners in. Have pure, very clear exit clause. If you want to exit, what would be the things you needs to happen? So spend even money and find the right person who can draft that formal document, because it is very important that you don't get disputes afterwards.
Okay.
Luckily, in my case, we were able to do it very nicely, and with time, we took a year to do that. So it wasn't overnight, but whenever there is, it's always good to have that clarity from the day you start.
And if you were to describe your entrepreneurial journey in one word, what that word would be?
Experiment.
Well said. And why should people join Echai?
It is the most fun community I've ever found, and I feel like home whenever I'm in Ichai. Whenever I talk to you, I don't feel like like it's a real community. Like you feel at home, and you can just collaborate, find, even get solution for any weird problem you can have. Just throw
Awesome.
it at
Yes, well said. I'll use this clip for our promotion. Thank you so much, and we wish you all the best.